Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to enable call notifications in the WhatsApp app on your PC. By following these simple steps, you'll never miss an important call again. To begin, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Next, navigate to the Settings menu. You can find it by clicking on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate and click on the Notifications tab. This is where you can customize various notification settings for WhatsApp on your PC. Finally, find the option to enable calls notifications and switch it on. By doing this, you'll receive notifications for incoming calls on your PC, making it easier to respond promptly. And that's it. You've successfully turned on calls notifications in the WhatsApp app on your PC. Stay connected and never miss an important call again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.